Hi everyone and welcome to Amanda's Cooking Buzz. So I've got one for the kids today. If you're anything like us, a bit of a big kid or a little kid, then this recipe is great for you. So guys, get your pens or pencils and bits of paper and write this down. So what you need is you need half a cup of icing sugar, a teaspoon of softened butter, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And what I've got milk arrowroot biscuits. Really simple. And what's great about this recipe is that it's really fun to make, because back in my day when I made these biscuits for parties and things like that, really all we had to decorate them was Smarties and maybe some hundreds and thousands. But these days at shopping centres and supermarkets, you can get all these really cool things. Like I've got some cool little faces that you can eat. You can get popping candy. You can get colourful hearts and different edible characters and all sorts of things. So today, what we're going to do is we're just going to make some pink icing to go on the biscuits, and then we're just going to decorate them. So it's really simple to make, but it's really fantastic. If you guys want to make them for your parents just because, or you want to make them for a party, then it's really simple. So we just get a bowl. You're going to put your half a cup of icing sugar in your bowl. Make sure you sift it though, because if you don't, with icing sugar, if you don't sift it, there's going to be lumps in it and you don't want lumps. Okay, so your 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, pour that in, and your 1 teaspoon of softened butter. Make sure you use butter, not margarine. Okay, I'm a big advocate of butter. And then we're just going to give that a bit of a stir. You staying with me? Okay. So what's going to happen here is you've got a choice. You could either ice your biscuits now, because at the moment your icing will look like that. Okay, so it's just a white, buttery, lemony icing. Or, for a little bit of fun, you can pick up from the supermarket some dye. Now, you have to be very careful with this, guys, because you literally only need a drop to go in, because it's really strong. So, this is what they come in, little tiny winnie bottles, and you've got to be careful. So maybe if you're a little unsure, get mum or dad to do it. So you just need 1 drop, put the lid back on, and then give it a stir. Oh, it's looking really nice. Now, in these little boxes, you'll find prime colours. So in there is blue, green, yellow, and red. But on the back, it actually shows you different colours. So if you mix different colours, they'll actually give you different colours in the dye selection. So you can be as creative as you would like. So as you can see, that's a really nice pink colour, and that's just 1 drop. So if you wanted a really deep red colour, you could put 2 drops if you wanted to. So, okay, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to ice our biscuits. Just on the front of them, we're just going to put a nice coating of icing. You'll find that if you do put these in the fridge, the icing will harden, because it does have that butter in there. You want a nice coating of icing on there as well, because let's be honest, you know, much nicer having a nice thick gooey coating of this icing on your biscuits. Okay, So I've just got 4 more to do. And look, there's nothing nicer than, you know, mums and dads, if you've got a young girl's birthday party, doing up some really nice, and everything's all pink, doing up some nice biscuits like this. Or look, to be honest, my dad, every time that we have a birthday party, he's just a big kid. And he always likes to have things like, you know, fairy bread and little chipolatas and fairy cakes and things like that. So, you know what? It doesn't matter if you're a kid or you're a big kid at heart. These type of things are really, really yummy. Okay, so I've done that. I've iced them. Make sure you try and get a really nice coating on them. Yum. Okay, so we've got them here. And now goes the fun part. We actually can decorate them. So I've got some really, really cute little faces here that we can actually decorate. So we just put them on the biscuits like so. So we'll do 4 of those with some faces. So we'll put those on the plate. And then we've also got hundreds and thousands. So we'll cover 3 of those with hundreds of thousands. You can also get from the supermarket, which I saw the other day, you can get chocolate hundreds of thousands as well. Oh my gosh, chocolate hundreds of thousands. Yum-o. And the other thing that I've got here is popping candy. Oh my gosh, like when I was little, there was no popping candy. But I don't know about you, have you ever, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to do this. Yep, amazing. Oh my gosh, it's like explosions in your mouth. It's incredible. Okay, so we're just going to cover the whole biscuit with popping candy. Ha! So that is incredible. Okay, so we'll put those on the tray as well. I can hear them popping because of the icing. Okay, so there we go. Now I have only done 8, but of course, you know, if you're going to do something like this, you're going to do a lot more than that. So look, there you are. There is the biscuits. It's a fun thing to do, really, really quick, and they're going to taste absolutely amazing. So look, guys, have fun with it. You can decorate them any way that you want, but look, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have your feedback. I'd love to have photos. So if you're going to design them yourself, post a photo. Love to have a look at them, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget, cooking, I am. Let's cook together.